ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a simple product review of T356 Air Purifier. This one's made for really large rooms, up to 2,000 square feet almost, and it can basically filter out all the air within 1 hour. But it has a double-sided air inlet, it's got light sensors, a HEPA sleep mode for allergies, dust, smoke, pet hair, and we got it in the white version. So it's really simple to set up. You simply plug it in here, and then it'll automatically activate, and then it's got a variety of buttons on the top. So you have the power button, and then you have 3 different modes of speed. You have 1, and then 2, and then 4, and then you have a lock button, but then I'm just gonna jump from that and go to the sleep mode. And then you have the auto mode as well. And then after the auto mode, you have a light or reset button. And then after that, you have a timer. 1 hour, 4 hours, and even up to 8 hours. But the biggest reason we got this is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he shits all the time. And so we needed something that was actually going to take out all of his, what you would call whimsical light hair and the follicles that's in the air, and be able to actually pull that out and help us both with breathing, but also in eliminating all those pathogens that kind of get on his hair when he goes outside. Where I like to put it best is right in the front living room. So when our boys come inside and they kind of track in dirt and stuff, or our dog comes in, I like to have it right here on the other side of that wall is our front door, so right here, where it's able to actually capture it all, but I don't like putting it right into the corner, so I kind of leave it away from it so that I can do that double duty and taking in all of that stuff in the air and then filtering it out and kind of pushing out good air again. But I'd say that this has already been a step-up improvement to just our overall living in our house. The air feels lighter, and it actually feels easier to not only breathe, but also to sleep and relax. I don't have data to prove this, but I can actually feel that my sleep quality has actually gotten better since we've had this air filter. So anyways, that's my product review of this T356 air filter. And if you found my video helpful, informative at all, even if you end up going with another product, really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Thanks.